How to change your name on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the edit profile option you see there once you are in your profile, and you will then see the name text box. Tap on the name text box there and go ahead and make any required changes, and further tap on the done option, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the change name option. Make sure that you will only be able to change your name twice within 14 days, so be sure of whatever name you are adding. So, this is how you can change your name on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.